Hello and welcome back to Jhex Graphics. Hope you all are doing absolutely great. Today I will share with you guys how to create a very simple but beautiful church flyer. So if you're new to my channel, consider liking the video, subscribing, and as well turning on the bell icon. The subscription is free. So now what I will do is to import the image of the pastor I'll be using for this tutorial. This pastor image is in PNG format. So the background is erased already, so I'm going to import that picture now. So I'll head straight to my gallery and I will import an image. Alright, so I'll search. Alright, I'll be using this image for this tutorial. So this is the image of the pastor I'll be using. So I'll just need to reduce this more and position this here. So the next thing I will do from here is to import the other background I'll be using. So back to my gallery, I will import another background I'll be using for this tutorial. Alright, so I'll make use of this one. Okay. So what I would do here is to extend this. Alright, I'll increase this. Yeah. So just increase this, and then I will need to position this at the center, which is just this way. Alright, let me just lock this and bring this up. Yeah. Okay, so the next thing I'll do from here is to change the background. So I'll head to the background and I'll make the color black. Alright, so what's the next thing? The next thing here is to blend the image with the background. So to make the image kind of go with the background, so I will need to make use of this. So just click here, which is the artboard. I'll just click the artboard and I'll pick this one. Alright, let me lock this layer as well. Alright, so now I'll just need to extend this to cover up the picture, the image. Just need to extend it this way, and then I will change the color to black, the background color, so I can blend it together with the background. So I will go with I'll go black. All right, so I just need to copy this and then use it to cover up the image until I get a blur blending. Okay, so after we've achieved this, the next thing to do here is to type in the worship. So I to the text, and then I will edit this to worship. Okay, so let's increase this. And then I will need to change the font of this as well. So I'll head to fonts, and then I will choose this. Alright, so just increase this, and then I will position this at the center. Alright, so I'll just need to add a little shadow to this. So I'll head to the shadow, then I enable this. Okay, so let me reduce this to, alright, let me make it 4, just 4. Okay, so now I will just need to copy and then edit this to the next test, which is service, right? So write service, and then I will change the fonts of this as well. So I'll make this, I'll change this to this font, and then I'll increase it to make it bold, just this way. Alright, so after I've achieved this, I will need to change this color to a different color. So I'll get to color, and then I'll pick a different color. Alright, so I'll make use of this color. Then, so from here, what I will do next is to draw my table. So I'll make use of this grid for the table. I'll just need to edit the grid to the kind of design of table I want. Then I draw the table. So just edit this. I think this. Alright. So I'll need to activate this, and then I'll head to shapes and pick the square. So let me make sure the square is touching this, and then I'll draw this. Alright, that was my first line, so I'll make another line as well. So make sure this is touching. So this is how you can draw a table in PixelLab. Alright, so I'll import another square. So I just make sure I roll the borders of each of the grid lines or the rulers. Yeah, I think we are good to go. Alright, so I'll just need to merge all the lines I have formed so I can get the table. Alright, so I can reduce these, and then make this smaller. So then I position this here. So I need to place this at the center as well, and then I'll raise it up a bit. Okay. So from here, I will need to type in the next test, which is a welcoming and invitation test. Join us. Right, join us. Right, let me change the fonts of this to another font. So I'll use bandana for this. Bandana. So now I'll reduce this to a small size so it can fit in the box. So it can fit in the box. Alright, so I just zoom this so I can see this better. So this should be at the center of the box, and then I'll put this at the center and then give it equal spacing as well. Alright, so we just need to copy this again and then type in the next content, which is the dates. Alright, Sunday 30th October. Right, so I'll put this here and then I'll change the color also to that same color I used for the service test. Which is this. And then I will make this sure this is at the center also. So I'll position this at the center and then I'll copy it to the time of the event, which is 8 a.m. Right, so from here the next thing I will do is to type in so I need to type in the mainstream pastor. So I'll copy one of the tests and I'll edit it to the pastor ministry's name. So string. So guys, consider subscribing and liking this video, and also share to your friends. Okay, so I just need to position this here, but then make the fonts smaller. So I should make this 12, right? And then I'll position this. So now I will copy the Sunday tests and edit to the location or the name of the church. So I'll make this at glorious Church International. So I'll bring this downward and then I'll reduce the fonts. Alright, I'll make this 10. And then I'll space it out. So space it out a bit. Alright. So I'll put this at the center as well. Okay. So from here we just need to alright, let me move this upward a bit. Okay. So from here we can then save. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time. Alright, so you save this and then you make the quality ultra.